Hi there, I'm Cruz, and I'd like to go over two features of this glass and metal pivot door. This pivot door was made with the Builder Series door jamb. What that means is that the door jamb is 2.5 inches deep, and the threshold is as well, and it's flat. This translates into a big savings opportunity for our clients, and nothing is lost on the door panel itself. The second feature that I'd like to review on this pivot door is the door light. This door light has our reflective gray glass. What that means is that during the day, it's very difficult to look in, so it provides privacy for the homeowner. At night, the homeowner can turn lights on in front of the door so that it offsets the light inside of the home, and then when someone walks up to the door, they're looking at the glass rather than looking through the glass into the home. The face of the door is metal, and the transition to the glass is only 1/8 of an inch. So it's very clean and seamless. The interior is also quite subdued, but it has a slightly bigger glass frame, and this is to accommodate the installation of the glass. If you'd like information on getting one of these awesome pivot doors for your home, please give us a call or fill out the contact form. Thank you.